What?
What's up?
How does it
Spontaneously bought something.
How does it feel to spontaneously buy stuff?
Feels like I want my money back already.
Oh, poor Bubba.
Alright, for today's video, I bought a mixer. Why the heck did I buy a mixer? Well, it's because I like to sing. And I also play the drums. And I like to sing. I'm just saying. It's a secret, but I like to sing. Okay, so I bought myself the Pro FX 10v3 10 channel mixer that comes with a USB interface because, you know, I got to connect it to the computers and make sure that I can get on the Pro Tools and make sure I can get that professional looking or sounding thing that I need to be recording, even though it's not really professional because I don't know what I'm doing. But, you know, that's what I'm saying. But the first thing we got to do, though, we got to open this thing because we got to see what's inside this thing right here, this big green box right here. So let's go ahead and go do that real quick, and then we come back. Okay, so we know that that thing comes with a USB cord and it comes with a power cord, but nothing else. So what are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? So the person at the Guitar Center that I went to, and they're telling me that I needed these things. I need this cable right here. It comes with one red one and one gray one, and then on the other side it comes with another one gray one and one red one. He chose these out for me, and he told me that these were like stereo because I had to get some good nice stereo sound to come out of this thing. And then he hooked me up with a 12-footer and a 6-footer. These things are from the company called Livewire. I know nothing about Livewire. I absolutely know nothing. But he told me that they come with like lifetime replacement or something. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, if you are gonna get these, you're gonna need one for your output from the mixer that goes to your speakers, and you're also gonna need one for, let's say for like me, I have the drum set that goes from the drum set to the mixer because got to get that stereo output and input going on and the output and into the speaker so I can get loud. Yeah. Okay, where you at? All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect my line, one of these to the line. I think I'm gonna choose the 5-6 here, and it's gonna go left gray and right red. And then the same cable ended up going up to my the thing over here, and I'll show you. Let me pick this up, and then it'll go left gray and right red. All right, cool. Y'all see that, right? Y'all see that, right? Okay, cool. All right, so the next thing I gotta do is I gotta take my other cable. Where is my other cable? Gotta take my other cable and make sure I do the same thing, which I'm gonna do the output, the main outputs here, and it's gonna go, oop, I just turned it on. The main outputs here, and it's gonna be left gray and right red. And then I'm gonna take the other side over here, and I'm gonna plug it into this little speaker I got down here because, you know, I ain't rich or nothing, you know what I'm saying? So left gray for mono, and then right for the other input, and that's cool. And then we can turn this on. And then we can turn this on. Boop. And I hope y'all ain't forget, I did say I like to sing, so I got this cable right here that goes to a microphone that I bought over there. This has a something. And I gotta plug this into the, I don't know, I'm just gonna plug it into one of those. I think this is channel 4, and now we get to test it. Ooh. But before we can do anything on the computer, we have to make sure that we have the drivers, because without the drivers, you can't do anything. The computer's not going to see it at all. So let's go to Mackie.com. After Mackie.com, we're going to go to support page. And then after the support page, we're going to go, hold on, let me check. After the support page, we're going to go to mixers. And then after that, we're going to choose the Pro FX option. And it should have the drivers that you need for your device. Just in case I forgot to mention that you do also have to plug in your power here. So I will show you that this goes unscrewed just like that. It's a little connector just like that. It goes onto that connector just like that. And make sure you plug in your USB cable that comes with it just like that. Make sure you put that in there like this, like that, and then you just screw it in. Super easy to do, right? Boom, 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 boom. So now that side goes to the wall, obviously, and then this side goes to the computer.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful?
All right, everybody. So obviously I'm not a pro, but I think that this is a pretty good beginner's thing. It's not even a beginner's thing. This is like a really, really good mixer already. But remember, you don't always just have to use it for music or recording music stuff, musician stuff. You can use it as an interface for, like, if you're a streamer or if you want to put different mics onto it or podcasts or anything like that. It does have up to 24 free effects, so that's pretty cool. And remember, keep in mind that this does come with a free version of Pro Tools and I believe another version of a different software. What is that software called? So Waveform OEM. There's these little cards inside the box that kind of lead you to how to get that. And that's how I got that free version. I think it's Pro Tools first or something, but it's actually pretty cool. It does what I needed to do. So make sure you do not throw those cards away that are in there, because you do need them. There are some free software on there. There's a key code in there for you. All right, so if this video was helpful, if it at least got you to see one of these mixers out, if you were interested in one and you just wanted to see the unboxing or anything, I hope that you liked the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I hope that you got what you wanted from here. Obviously, I'm not a professional mixer or person. I don't even know that much about these things anyways. I know my little things here and there, like adding voice effects and all that, but I at least wanted to show you what it looked like, what came in the box, and what it sounded like when I tried to record with it. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.